Later, it would reappear near my bottom, like a friend, like a barnacle, like a surprise, still paced but different. It apparently could do what it liked, like I was a train station, a tube for it. Which was odd, not really scary. Tasty, yes. At the time of my daydream, fantasy, discovery, paradigm shift, rebirth, what have you will be you, that I was going through at that moment. I sat on my mother's bed and let my eyes cross, turning the tiny room into an aquarium. The jello that misses a wafer is a life wafer, which is nothing but a sandwich. C. Gwendolyn Brooks. The sandwich is not limited to being a thing or device. It takes many forms. The sandwich is an object used parable about inside and outside, recursively understood as a figure 8, but like the end of an egg beater collapsing in on itself. Pulling us to habit, and this part is good. That part is better. My part is best. And that part, not even a part. It's a sandwich.